guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram unexpected error problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. Then you need to go back and open your smartphone settings. So open smartphone settings and go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that, and the first step you simply need to click on storage and cache. And the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and allow all permissions from here, and then you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your account on Instagram. And after that your issue will be resolved, and you can see that my Instagram is working properly. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.